Hi, I'm Yusing, Regional Sales Engineer from Bose Professional. Today I would like to show you two of our latest products. What I have here behind me is the new DesignMax DM12SE. This is a weatherized 12-inch coaxial surface mount loudspeakers that deliver full range sound with punchy bass in a consistent 102 conical dispersion coverage. Having a deep bass response down to 38 Hz is powerful handling of 300 watt continuous and 1200 watt at peak. It's IP55 rated enclosure suitable for both indoor and outdoor application. Rugged, outdoor ready with a pen and tube bracket included. These speakers can be mounted both horizontally and vertically. Not to mention that it comes in black and white finishes. Next, I will show you the SK10. The ShowTime SK10 is a full-range, two-way indoor loudspeakers. It has a 10-inch low-frequency driver and a 2-inch EMB2S compression driver. Frequency range between 50 Hz to 20k Hz frequency. The power handling at 500 watt continuous and 2000 watt at peak. Coverage dispersion pattern of 90° horizontal and 60° vertical. And not to mention is fully rotatable. Okay, it comes with 15 mm plywood enclosure. Thank you.